Okay, I'm Dave here with Rokform, and today we're going to go over the V4 bike mount, some features and benefits, and we're going to do a quick install to show you how easy it is to get mounted and keep your phone secure and safe. So V4 bike mount comes with all the tools that you need for the install. It comes with the Allen wrench, the base cap, a lanyard, an extra safety feature that we have, and then the arm and bolt. So we're gonna pop these out of here. We're going to take the base cap out, and we're going to take the wrench. Everything is supplied, which is super nice. And then it's super easy install. We're just going to drop the bolt through here. It's going to go through the base cap. And as you can see, the base cap is serrated for a little extra grip when you're tightening up, so you don't have to have the bolt so tight for it to hold the arm in the correct angle that you like. So we're just going to snug this thing up. We do supply a longer bolt for bikes that do have maybe a little bit of a higher reach for the top of the stem for the handlebars. So this just quickly spins down. And then to snug it up, you just kind of tighten it up and then move the arm. And then once the arm is secure and it's no longer, moving up and down in a vertical orientation, and you get it aligned where you want it, there you go. And then to mount, super easy. You just align the teeth in the back and twist and lock. So now this thing is securely mounted to the bars. It's not coming off in 5 years. I've never had my phone come off one time. And then to release, it's simple. You just one-handed twist and remove. So great feature if you only have one hand, and when you're riding, you can quickly take your phone off if you need to take a photo, and then to reinstall it, you just simply put it back on and twist right back on in place, and away you go. So it's a great, quick on-off feature where a lot of other brands will be two hands that you got to use. So Rokform's great one-handed release. The V4 bike mount, my favorite feature is that it's an all aluminum design now. We have eliminated the plastic lock, so that means there's no plastic that's going to get weakened by UV sunlight. We have a steel bolt that runs through the middle, all billet aluminum. This mount will last you years. I mean, you'll probably be replacing this mount on your future bikes. It's so well built. Functionality of it is awesome. It's perfectly aligned in the center. You have the ability to adjust the angle. So depending on the height of your stem, you do have the angle where you're able to adjust it if your bars are flat or down or whatever. And again, it's just twist lock. There is a hidden magnet inside this arm, which is really cool. And then there's a magnet built inside the phone case. So when you do twist those on and off, that alignment is what causes it to stay engaged and locked into the bike. So great feature that really makes the thing super clean, super sleek. And a lot of the times when the phone's not mounted to it, people think it's a part of the bike. So it really looks organic to the design of the bike. The retail price on the V4 bike mount is $69, and it's available on rokform.com. Hi, Dave with Rokform. Today we're going to go over the Sports Series bike mount. Last year, Rokform introduced the new updated Sports Series bike mount with some really cool additional features. One of the newer features is the all aluminum design. Previous model had a plastic lock with a plastic lever. We've upgraded that to an aluminum lock with an aluminum lever. It's a really cool, slick mechanical release system with a little hidden spring inside the mount. Really strong, really sturdy. Your phone is 100% secure on this lock. The other cool updates to the sport mount is it comes with 3 different strap lengths, silicone backed straps. So we have it from 7/8 bar all the way up to a 2 1/4 inch bar. So it comes with 3 set strap lengths. And to change the straps out, super easy. You just kind of remove it, slide it out the base. So we're going to install this on a bike, so we're going to put the 7/8 strap in it. It's got silicone back to help with the grip, and there's these really cool little rubber pads on the inside of it to help, again, for vibration control as well as secure mounting. So all you're going to do is just loop this through the handlebar, loop this through the back of the strap, and then cinch it to where you feel like you want it. Pull this nice and tight, fold it up, and that's it. 1 second and you are mounted. The other cool thing about this is that simple mechanical lock. So boom, it locks into place. It's not coming off. Super secure. And then when you want to release, you just take your finger, push down with that, and twist off. Again, super easy to mount. Mounts one-handed. Release with your finger, boom, away you go. Another cool feature of the updated sport mount is the ability to rotate the head 90 degrees. So if you wanted to go from a handlebar to like the center of a stem, you have the ability to do that. Simple. Rokform supplies you with the wrench. You're just going to simply loosen this Torx bolt in the back. You loosen this up, and then that will come up. You're just going to rotate it 90 degrees, and then you're just going to tighten it back up. Snug that bolt right back up. And now we have the ability to have this mounted in the center of our stem for a road bike, gravel bike, or even like your fitness bike, however you want to have it. Again, we're going to put the strap right back on. And now, just like that, we're able to mount. So this will go all the way up to a 2 1/4 inch bar, so it can work for stroller, can work for a UTV, anything, a Jeep. We have a lot of Jeep customers that'll put it on a roll cage, but there you go. And so now the phone will it's just going to twist on the exact same way. We're just going to get it to lock on. And for release, you're just going to push down the lever, simple one-hand operation, super secure. It's really clean on the center of the bike, so it keeps in line with the front tire, and you will be super pumped that you have this on your bike. It's the most secure, best mount on the market. I personally love it. I don't leave home without it. So again, that's the sport mount available on rokform.com for $59.99. Thanks.